Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So as you look at the current statistics, I think one thing is going to probably jump out at you, and that's the wind speeds east at about 14 right now. It's breezy out there. And it feels good, too, because that dew point value is a little bit lower as well, 59 degrees. So that's pleasant. And we'll probably have these pleasant lower humidity conditions for a couple of days till we start to rise that dew point back into the 60s. And that'll probably occur by the time we get to Thursday. 65 degrees current air temperature, plenty of blue sky out there, starry skies. It's a gorgeous start to the morning. As dawn breaks, we'll start to see our temperatures rise back up into the 70s pretty quickly. Under full sunshine this morning and into the afternoon. 65 Mayaca, Lakewood Ranch at 65 degrees in Perry, 65 rather in Bradenton and Sarasota. Venice coming in at 67, 66 degrees in Inglewood. Longboat Key comes in at 67. Yeah, it's a nice start to the day. 3 p.m. temperature will probably be about 81 degrees, sunny and breezy throughout the day today. UV index will be high as well. As we get into the 7 p.m. time frame, we're looking at about 75 degrees. So sunset this evening, absolutely gorgeous. Mild temperatures, breezy wind, should be a beautiful, beautiful sky. 12 midnight temperature drops down into the 60s and we'll bottom it out into the upper 50s as we head into tomorrow morning. That'll probably be around the coolest morning of the week, I think. As far as the forecast goes for the state of Florida, well, I think what you see is what you get. It is going to be a very quiet day weather-wise across the entire state. Maybe a few scattered showers over on the other coast. That really will be just about it. The winds, you know, with that long fetch off the Atlantic waters producing a few scattered showers here, but they're not going to make it across the coast. Traveling today, well, there is a hot spot in the United States. That is Texas today has a threat of severe weather, and inclement weather extends all the way up into the central Great Lakes. For us, it'll be dry as a bone throughout the state today. There's our hot spot for severe weather today as defined by the Severe Storm Prediction Center. There is a slight risk in this location for some short-lived tornadoes as well as some gusty winds, hail, that sort of thing with thunderstorms that develop. Otherwise, the nation's pretty quiet today. Certainly no risk of any problems in our neck of the woods. Long-range futurecast does show that by the time we get to probably Friday, another frontal boundary will be approaching. It'll kind of stall out here on Friday and give us a Saturday chance of rainfall as well. So we'll be watching for that. Right now, our weather driven completely by a ridge of high pressure. That high pressure ridge provides us with this easterly wind flow, which will be consistent throughout the day today. Breezy as well, coming in at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So that wind is going to create a moderate chop on your bay and inland waters east at about 15 throughout the day today. Seas will run 2 to 3 feet. The forecast looks pretty good, actually. We'll have a daytime high today of about 83, tomorrow about 81. Thursday, sunny and nice as well with lower humidity. Then on Friday, that chance of a rain shower, which will extend into Saturday as that front kind of meanders and stalls over central Florida. Eventually washing away, it'll leave us a beautiful Easter Sunday with a mix of sun and fair weather clouds, no rain, and daytime highs in the 80s. And that trend will continue into the beginning of next work week.